Hey guys, it's Dallas Schilling here from the 2 Hour Circle, and we are at Flagstone Creek checking out Scotty's garage. I'm just here checking out this beautiful old Indian. You don't see this colour scheme very often. There's a fair bit to see and do here. We're going to explore a little bit and we'll catch up with you further down the road. When you thought you'd seen everything at Scotty's garage, check this out. How cool is this? Hey guys, I'm here with the owner of this fine establishment, Scotty. How are you?
Good on you, mate. Pleased to meet you. Pleasure to have you.
Likewise. I am absolutely gobsmacked at how much there is to see here. How long is it taking you to put this together?
Mate, I've been collecting them seriously for probably about 23 years now. Most of it I've had a long time, but I got really keen really quick and secured a lot of it, which I'm so glad I did.
Mate, I've been collecting for about 23 years too, but Mrs. keeps making me throw stuff out. Mate, how long have you been here? So 23 years or is...
No, mate, no. Sarah and I got together and we decided to buy this place in 2008.
Yep.
I had a lot of the collection previous to that, which was just in the house in Toowoomba, and I needed a shed to put it in. So we concepted the idea of opening the display to the public. So in order to do that, it had to be displayed correctly.
Oh,
so we built the shed to see it.
I am for one surely glad that we did. Mate, you get a few people from Ipswich, you certainly wouldn't want any more, right, would you? Hey, so
every people are good people.
Yeah, so how far away from Ipswich are we?
Oh, we're only a bit over an hour's drive from Ipswich.
Yeah, so well within the 2 Hour Circle, guys, and I've got to tell you, this place is Wolfman approved. You have to come and check it out. We are so glad we stopped by. We're going to pull up to the barn a little bit later on and have a cold drink, and then we're going to head further up the road. So what's to see further up the road, Gary?
Well, mate, you're only 8 kilometres to Toowoomba from here. So
that's fantastic.
There's plenty to do in Toowoomba. You can get to Cobb & Co and all sorts of attractions at Toowoomba.
And some really scenic rides, some scenic drives.
Great bike track, Flagstone Creek Road. It's bike heaven here. Yeah.
So I've only got one more question for you. Is that, do you almost drive off the road sometimes when you see something that you'd like to add to your collection?
Mate, it's one of those scenarios that, it's surprising what you can't see off the road. You've got to go in, and so off the road's always the best place to be.
Well, I got to tell you, there is plenty of what I like to call rusty gold, well within what we like to call the 2 Hour Circle. Mate, thanks very much for having me. stopped in at Cambodia. Is that the correct pronunciation?
Yes,
Cambodia. We've stopped here at a beautiful old pub. We're going to hear all about that in a second. And mate, I've just had a Thai beef salad, and it was fresh and it was zesty. Not something that I would normally order, but I sort of went a little bit off script, and I'm glad I did. So you've got a pretty awesome menu here.
We do. We focus mainly on meals. Very family orientated and meal orientated. Yeah. So,
and the desserts are to desire for. Like,
yeah.
I don't do dessert at lunchtime. Riding the bike, you get a bit sleepy on the way home. Not ideal. Not ideal. So you are at the Bull and Barley Hotel. Is that the correct?
Bull and Barley Inn.
Bull and Barley Inn. There you go. And you were telling us a little bit about some of the history here. So this place was established in 1902, but there's another pub in the mix there. How does all that work?
There was another pub in town. It did burn down around the time this one was built.
Yep.
They're all old railway towns here, so they had a few pubs because there's a few people around.
Yeah. Railway workers don't mind a drink.
Yeah, they were pretty good. Yeah. It actually burned down around the time this one was built.
Yep.
Gentleman was over here having a drink. He went over to the other pub to send off a friend of his who was going away.
Yep.
And he had a bit too much to drink. They had a room upstairs at the time, which was room 6, which is funny because that's the room that people say is haunted. Here,
So
room 6.
So room 6 here is potentially haunted.
Potentially.
But the pub that burned down is most likely to be where the ghost is.
Yeah, well,
so,
yes.
You would think. So, but and you were saying earlier that there's a house here just up around the corner, which is potentially the oldest privately owned home here in town. So
it's the oldest privately owned. Yeah.
Once again, here in the 2 Hour Circle, we have landed in another town that is absolutely steeped in history. A beautiful railway town. This is why the town is here, if I'm correct. Yeah. And you guys have been here since 1902. Not you personally. Well, you're doing pretty well if that's the case. Mate, we've got to say thank you for your hospitality. It's been great to drop in, and we look forward to seeing you guys somewhere out in what we like to call the 2 Hour Circle. Bye for now.